Hi everyone, I'm Rincey and this is Rincey Read. Today I'm going to be doing a quarterly box unboxing. This is the Book Riot quarterly box. Just as a disclaimer in the beginning, just because I'm a contributor for Book Riot doesn't mean anything. I've been getting these since before I was a contributor. They don't, pay me for this. I pay for it myself and they just ship it to me. That's really all it is. I will say I think I know what one of the books is because I saw Rebecca talking about it on our little Book Riot forum thing that we have for all the contributors, but I was trying really hard not to pay attention to that thread. So yeah, let's get started and open this up. Okay. Something gorgeous right at the top. So the first thing right at the top of the box, oh there's a lot of really gorgeous stuff in here, is this print. There is one that's an F. Scott Fitzgerald print, and this is Jorge Luis Borges. I don't know how to say the name. This is super gorgeous. Oh my gosh, wow. This is like really nice paper, I can tell. So this is a custom literary quote print from Obvious State. So they created the design exclusively for Book Riot quarterly subscribers. Wow, that is kind of fantastic, and I think I will put this up at my job because this is gorgeous. Or maybe I'll put it up somewhere in my room. I don't know. This is going up somewhere because this deserves to be hung. Okay, I also have a code that's redeemable for one ebook at openroadmedia.com. Okay, so it looks like everyone gets a free ebook of Maps and Legends, Reading and Writing Along with the Borderlands by Michael Chabon. You also get read stickers, which is fantastic, and I will be sticking this along with my other stickers. Oh, I almost bought this the other day. I'm glad I didn't. So one of the books is What We See When We Read by Peter Mendelsohn. This is a really gorgeous book. By the way, it has like really thick paperback covers, and it looks like this is another one that's annotated by the author, kind of like how Lexicon was annotated in the first quarterly box, so this is really nice. So this book, Peter Mendelsohn is apparently an illustrator, and this book comes, like, it's kind of illustrated. It's not just like a straight novel. And it talks about what you as a reader see when you see words, like not necessarily neurologically, but just what you're imagining when you're looking at words. So this will be super interesting. And then I also got a copy of The Salinger Contract by Adam Langer. So this book is a fast-paced literary thriller that revolves around the central question of what makes certain books resonate so strongly with people that they can't not remake them into their own reality. It's about the power of stories to inspire and the relationships formed between an author and a reader. That sounds really interesting, and it comes with an insert. Sorry, I was laughing because I was already reading what some of the stuff said on the insert. So it comes with a hilarious handwritten note, partially handwritten note, from the author, which is very cool. And then I got, it's a Book Riot water bottle. This will be nice to keep my water in. It says whether you're a devoted gym goer or prefer, say, lifting that hardcover, you gotta stay hydrated. This actually would be really nice while working out. So thank you for that. And I think that's it. Yeah, I didn't get any of the bonuses this time around, which is fine. It says one person gets this Lumio lamp thing, which I'm fine with not getting because I don't really have space in my room for something like that. And there were a couple of ARCs that went out to certain readers or certain subscribers and stuff like that, so that would have been cool, but it's okay because I've gotten some of the bonus stuff in the past, so I'm guessing it's not my turn yet, although they say it's like randomly chosen, but I'm sure it would be unlikely for me to get it twice in 1 year. So yeah, that was this quarter's quarterly box. If you have any questions about any of the stuff I got, feel free to leave a comment down below. As usual, there is a link down below explaining what the quarterly box is, and if you want to subscribe, there'll be a link to that as well. If you've read either of these books, feel free to leave a comment about it down below. Let me know what you thought of them or if you've heard anything about them. So yeah, that's all I have for now. Thanks for watching.